What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another tutorial. This is going to be part 2 of how to back up your themes on iOS 14. If you guys haven't seen the first episode, I would highly recommend that. Otherwise, this is not going to make very much sense. I will leave the video link for that down in the description. But essentially, what I did is I backed up all the themes on my jailbroken iPhone 10, and I zipped them up and I put them into my iCloud drive, and now I can access them on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is not jailbroken, and on iOS 14.5 Beta 3. So as you can see, there is the themes backup folder in which I created in the first episode, or part 1 of this tutorial. So from here, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on the zip and I'm going to share it. And I'm going to share it with iZip. I've shown this application a few times now. This is the paid version. There is a free version in the App Store as well. Just simply search iZip. So would you like to unzip all files? I'll click on OK. And as you can see in the themes folder, there is 586 items. I think there's something like 3,800 something files. So it is a pretty large folder. And like I said, it's containing all of the themes that I have on my iPhone 10. A lot of these themes are paid. So essentially I've transferred my paid themes to my non-jailbroken device, and now I can use them with a non-jailbroken iPhone and create custom icons with it. So we can go into the themes folder, and as you can see, here are all of the themes, easily accessible. Of course, a lot of this stuff you can't use without a jailbreak, like badges and AEs and stuff like that, but the main themes or the main icons are completely usable. So I guess I'll just select on Blacklit here. We'll go into bundles. As you can see, there's com.springboard. Actually, it's back up. Go into icon bundles rather, and there are all of the icons for that theme. Now, this is a theme I don't have on my 12 Pro Max, so I'm going to transfer it to you, or to, not to you, but to my themes folder, and I'm going to show you guys some more, information on how I have my themes set up on this device. So many people ask me, like, how do you have themes on your non-jailbroken phone? How do you use them? So I'm trying to cover this as much as I can. I have done a lot of videos. So what I like to do from here is I'll just select on the icon bundles, and I'm going to do share. And then it asks you if you would like to compress them. Just for the icon bundles, since it's a singular folder containing all of the images, you don't have to compress it. If this icon bundles had multiple folders within it, you would have to compress it. So I'm going to say no. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to save this to files. And I'm going to put it in my themes. And I'm going to rename the folder to the name of the theme. The name of the theme is Blacklit. I normally at this point would go ahead and do this, and I'd put a @ symbol, and I would put the name of the creator there. I just can't remember how to spell the creator's name off the top of my head, so I'm just going to save it as Blacklit. I will update it in the future because I'm super OCD with my files. So I'm just going to name it the name of the theme. I'm putting it into my themes folder in iCloud. I'm just going to click on save. And now it's going to save all of those icon images to my themes folder, and I'll show you guys that I can access it once it's done saving. Do be patient with this stuff. I mean, we're moving a lot of data around, so it can take a little bit. Let's go into files. Let's close out of the share sheet. Let's go into my themes. And then down in the B's, here is Blacklit. We go in there, and there are all of the icons with this theme. So let's say I wanted to use like the camera or something. Let's just do this for example. Now, if this is a theme I wanted to start creating a setup for, what I would start doing is go into shortcuts, and I would start creating the icons. I do add action, I do scripting, I do open app. Let's do that camera app because it looked pretty sweet. Let's just do camera like that. 3 dots, add to home screen, choose file, and then we can back out of E8. And we'll go further back. Here's themes. Go down to Blacklit. Scroll down until we find that cool camera icon. I'm going to delete the name so it's a blank icon. Click add, and now I have successfully used a jailbreak theme icon on my non-jailbroken device. Let's go ahead and exit. Let's check out the icon. There is the icon right there. It opens up to the camera. There's also no banners or notifications or anything. I've covered all this, guys. But that's essentially how you can make a backup for all of your themes. You can save it to iCloud Drive. You can reinstall those themes onto a jailbroken device, or you can unzip them and use them on a non-jailbroken device. So hopefully you guys found these tutorials useful. If you did, make sure you smash the like button. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.